Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I have been trying a few recipes, especially samosas, spring rolls with some innovative fillings and some viral ones too. Everything came out delicious and I'm sure you will love it after trying it out. Also, these are best for any parties or gatherings. So let's begin without any delay. Let's start with a spring roll recipe. As always, I have been using Switz brand for samosas and spring rolls and even other snacks. It gives you the best flavor, and also those crunchy samosas and spring rolls is what you just want to munch on. This spring roll is something I experimented and it was the favorite of all in the family. It's cheese Pom Rolls, that's what I have named it. It's sweet paneer and pomegranate filling. Something innovative yet a very lovely flavor with that crunchy spring roll sheets. You can use store-bought paneer and crumble it, or else make it at home instantly with 4 cups of milk. When it boils, add 1/4 cup vinegar. The milk has curdled, let's strain it. Now this has to cool down, and make sure the crumbles are completely dry, or else get rid of the excess liquid using a muslin cloth. To this, add pomegranate seeds, around 4 or 5 tablespoons. I wanted a little more sweetness to the paneer, so I added 2 heaped tablespoons of condensed milk. The reason why it's thick is because I had kept leftover condensed milk in the freezer. Mix well and keep aside. Now prepare the spring rolls. Place the filling in the shape of a log. Fold from both ends and roll. Stick with flour paste. And that's done. This idea of paneer and pomegranate came from a salad where they add feta cheese and pomegranate along with other vegetables. So I gave a try and it was a success in my family. Now deep fry until golden brown. Time to serve. Drizzle with honey, and for a garnish, sprinkle some pomegranate seeds. This is super crunchy outside and soft inside with a bite of that pomegranate seeds. It's got a different good taste. Next is a crunchy tropical salad. For this, you can use the same spring roll sheets for the crunchiness you need for the salad. Cut them in squares. Make sure you add this just before serving so you can fry them and keep them aside for later use. Here I have used 1 mango, half of each capsicum, red, yellow, green and orange. These are for colors. Then 1 cucumber, some coriander leaves and a few green chilies, which is optional. Some pomegranate seeds as well. Chop everything into tiny pieces preferably. Now for the dressing, mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil along with 1 teaspoon chili sauce, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and some salt. Mix and add a handful of peanuts, crush and add. Also a tablespoon of sesame seeds. After you transfer the salad to your serving bowl, add the fried spring sheet squares to the salad and mix. Crumble a few and then add. This is super crunchy with those tiny crispy sheets. These days, everyone is obsessed with the viral Dubai chocolate. So thought, why not try to make a sweet mini samosa with a similar filling. For that you will need kunafa dough. You get it readily available in the market these days, but not necessary. Instead of this kunafa dough, you can simply add some cream cheese as the filling for the samosa. I have used around 2.5 cups of kunafa dough that I made into small bits. Melt 50 grams of butter. Here I first added 3/4 of the 50 grams of butter but later used the whole. Roast the kunafa dough till they are crisp and light golden brown in color. That's ready and let it cool down. To this add pistachio butter. This again if you can't find in the supermarket, just make it at home, it's easy. Roast some pistachios, blend it in a mixer grinder or food processor along with some powdered sugar until you get that buttery texture, just like peanut butter or any nut butter. That's all. Mix around 3 or 4 tablespoons or until you feel that the texture has come out well. Check the sweetness and add condensed milk as per your taste. Now let's start filling the samosa sheets. I'll show you different ways, beginning with mini samosa, which I find is the best for this recipe. Cut through the middle so you get a thin strip. Take one, add the filling and now just fold like normal samosa. Use flour paste to stick the ends. And there you have a cute little triangle. This is a bit time consuming as it's mini samosas, but worth giving a try because you can just keep munching it. As I mentioned earlier, you don't necessarily need kunafa. If you can't get one, simply add cream cheese. Just that you won't get that crunchy filling, but the samosa sheets will be crispy enough for the texture. But make sure you use pistachio cream for drizzling over. If folding is not working for you, go for squares. Cut each strip in half. Place one on the other in the middle. Add the filling in the center and fold as shown, sticking it with flour paste. You can also make rolls as well. Place the filling, fold one end to cover the filling and then roll. Stick the ends with flour paste. Now if you want to make a bigger samosa or the normal samosa, I would suggest adding some mozzarella cheese, but it's again optional. And that's the original samosa folding. That's perfect. Deep fry until golden brown. It's time to serve. Drizzle any chocolate sauce. Here I've used Nutella, but you can go for any. And then drizzle pistachio butter. I personally enjoyed the one that was drizzled with honey. Give it a try and let me know which one you enjoyed preparing and eating. So that's all for these delicious recipes for today. Do give a try to all these crunchy snacks and the salad. I would love to see your Switz Iftar creations. Take care everyone. See you soon with more Ramadan vlogs. Bye bye.